Okay, like our previous lectures, I try to make you understand very simple terms so they may help you in your research, in your thesis, in your study. This is your teacher, Dr. Kamran Kundi. This is your mentor, Dr. Kamran Kundi, in your research data analysis. Today I have two things for you, which is very simple, and I will try to make you understand in a very simple and in very intelligent way. Please let me know from which city or from which country you are watching my video. I will need this in comment section so that I can know from where you are watching my videos. So let's go to the point. There are two things. One is called parameter, second one is called statistics. There are two things. One is parameter and second one is statistic. Parameter and statistic. If you notice, the word parameter has first letter P and the word statistic has the first word S. Parameter and statistic. If you notice these two words, the first letter of parameter is P, the first letter of statistic is S. P for population and S for sample. P stands for population and S stands for sample. So it means that parameter should address the population and statistic should address the sample, because parameter has a letter P and population has a letter P. So P for P, it means parameter for population. Similarly, statistic has a letter S and sample has a letter S. S for S, which means that statistic is for sample. Now you become clear that parameter is for population, statistic is for sample. Now I will define it in a more educated way. The characteristic of population will be called as parameter. The characteristic of population will be called as parameter. The characteristic of population will be called as parameter. The characteristic of sample will be called as statistic. The characteristic of sample will be called as statistic. The characteristic of sample will be called as statistic. Now, after defining parameter and statistic, we will see three more things. 1, 2, 3. We will see three more things. Please here listen to me and let me know from where or from which country or from which city you are watching this video. Write your country name or write your city name or write your district name in the comment section so that I can know where you are from. Now we have three things. One is mean, second one is standard deviation, third one is variance. We have three things: mean, standard deviation and variance. We have three things: mean, standard deviation and variance. If you study mean, standard deviation and variance regarding population, if you study mean of the population, standard deviation of the population and variance of the population, so you are studying mean, standard and variance of the population, so these will be called as parameters. Mean of population will be called as parameter, standard deviation of population will be called as parameter, variance of population will be called as parameter. In the opposite way, if you study mean of sample, it will be called statistic. If you study standard deviation of the sample, it will be called as statistic. If you study variance of the sample, it will be called as statistic. So now it is very clear. that mean of population and mean of sample. Mean of population will be called as parameter, while mean of sample will be called as statistic. Make it very clear. Mean of population is parameter, mean of sample is statistic. Similarly, standard deviation of population will be called as parameter, but standard deviation of sample will be called as statistic. Similarly, variance of population will be called as parameter, but variance of sample will be called as statistic. So, mean, standard deviation, and variance can be called as parameters if they are related to population, and mean, standard deviation, and variance of sample will be called as statistic if they are related to sample. Thank you so much. I am your teacher, I am your guide, I am your mentor, Dr. Kamran Kundi, and you are watching my videos. Thank you so much. Please share this video to your friends and teachers.